The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Wow, what a day. What a day. What a day. Wow. What a day. What a day. Hey, Schultze, how you doing, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Joe Cook, Crook, what's going on? The Wolfman, 420. All right, we're going to change the bear trader. The bear got killed today, the poor bear. The poor bear. Unbelievable. My poor bear. Unbelievable. He got slaughtered. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Where did bear trader send me? Anything today? Oh, boy. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. Wow. Unbelievable. What a day. What a day. What a day. All right. Let's see here. Everybody here yet? We're going to wait for a little bit more people to come on. Very important to be here. All right. Hello, Linda NQ. Hello. Day Rachina Bolozone. Vanessa, how are you? We're going to change up the raffle tonight. We're going to do something a little different. Okay, Trader 007. Let's see if we can get war almost over. We won the war. Okay. All right. Okay. Very important. I just want to go over some things with everybody. You know, it's important that when you hit your accounts for the day in ES Futures, how are you, D Hall? Why change it? I don't know. Had a nice talk with Denny about it. We're just going to change it a bit. I think some people were just, you know, not really too happy with the way I guess they wanted to mix it up. So we're going to do the wheel again. And this time, if you're here, you're here. If you're not, that's it. We're just doing 10. That's it. That's the new rules. So just want to be clear with that. Just want to be clear. All right. Hope everybody had a great day today. So I'm going to wait till a couple more people come on. Then I'm going to show you some really cool stuff here. Let me put this up here. Oh, okay. How are you?
I made it look pretty sharp with a haircut.
Oh, thank you. Let me have your coffee so don't spill it.
I'll throw it.
I'm going to put it here. It's not throwing the garbage out. It's okay. You didn't even drink it.
No, I did. Half of it.
Okay. So I wanted to say before I start tonight, this is a gift from me to you and your wife. No, open them. You got to see what they look like. Because I want your wife is a wonderful person, and you are a wonderful person. No, but they can hear it. So I went to the
Should I tell you what I did to your car before?
No,
before or after?
No. No. I know. What color is that one?
Oh wow.
What color is that
This
one?
is the black one.
Okay, that's for you. Okay, you've been in good health. See, I'm a bubbler. Okay.
So obviously you got to the Apple store too.
I went to the Apple store. Well, obviously, you see my phone plugs in. Now, let me show you what I got your wife, who is a gem of gems. Okay. All right.
You
And
want to open it?
he's feeling better, I
Oh,
think.
wow.
Right?
She'll love
Is you see?
They're heavy.
They stay cold.
Really?
Yeah, you put them in, they stay cold.
You want it?
Oh, Daddy, I love my body, Daddy. You're okay, Papa. Thank you. All right. God bless you. All right. I had to give Levi a little present. He's leaving tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's his last day. Then he goes back to Thailand, and hopefully, maybe I'm gonna probably head to Thailand sometime the December 26th, and head there. My God, I'm not dreading being on. I'm gonna be dread being on a plane. Oh, you like my haircut? Right. I look 10 years younger. I know the girl says, "Oh my God, where have you been?"
Knew.
And they're off at Belmont.
I knew I heard you eating these.
Yeah, I was starving.
I heard.
No, because they came back
heard
and
him
I
on
said,
the
"Where's Levi?" I said, "Blank him. I'm eating her."
I heard you crunching away, and I think I sent you a message.
Yeah, forget it. It's over. Oh, they're getting killed here. All right. Yeah. All right. 7-16 down 6 here. All right. Everybody, I'm never watching sports again. Why is that, Tony? Why is that, Tony Gold? All right. Oh my. No. Okay, so we got to talk. We got to talk. What did I say to him that was most important? When you're up a certain amount of money, okay.
I did.
Okay, hold on. Hold
We had that conversation before I left.
Hold on. So I had this conversation with him a day or two ago. And when you hit your goal, you stop. Or you then go to a different account. So here he's up 12,000, right? And I said, okay. And then I'm thinking, okay, enough. So I'm thinking he's rotating to a different account or getting another account. He blows 10 grand. Can't do that. No, but that's over trading. No, but see,
Hey, man,
I know it happens. But
no, it doesn't
Yeah,
happen.
it shouldn't
No,
happen.
it shouldn't
We
happen.
had just had the.
Okay.
That's
It shouldn't
that's the
happen.
thing in here we talked about.
It shouldn't happen.
I can get a little bit more.
No, up 12,000 and blow 10. You can't do that.
I agree, and we know.
But hold on. When I first met him, he was up 12, he lost 10, and he said to me, "How do you know when to stop?" And I said,
It's not. That's the wrong question.
that is the wrong question. The thing is, okay, the discipline factor comes in many forms. And in that kind of situation, the discipline is you've surpassed your goal, right? And now that's why I tell you the importance of trading multiple accounts.
I got it.
You cannot trade based upon what I've seen in the prop world. Did I like the Knick game? Oh my God, it was amazing. I watched it to the last second.
Do you know how hard it's been for me just to trade 150 or so in an account and then go to a next account? It's been real, but the one thing I've learned many things. Okay, and I'll say it on camera.
No, it doesn't.
I've learned many things while I've been here, but the hardest piece has been, and I've got it. I really believe I have it now. We'll see what happens over the next few weeks. Is when you get up a few hundred or whatever, go to that next account and go to that next account. And you know what? If you have 5 accounts, you get to the end of it, you be done. You can walk away for the day.
Yeah.
Which is one of the reasons I left the last 2 days.
I think one of the most important things, okay, is that having the ability to recognize that you surpassed your goal, right? And then what you want to do then is to be able to then focus on another account. This is exactly what happens. People start getting caught up on trading one account. I understand, Najee. I understand some of you can barely afford it. But the game, you wouldn't even be here. Hold on. You wouldn't even be here. Okay. You wouldn't even be here if it was for the micros or prop account. You wouldn't be here.
Exactly.
Okay. The CME came out with a product called the micro. I was sitting with the head of the CME, the CEO of the CME on his birthday in Chicago. Okay. All right. Now, in your case, if you're going to trade an account, you hit your goal, you stop, you watch, you learn, you listen.
Or go to a sim account.
Or then go sim. Right. I agree. Okay. I agree. So anyway, while we all have you here, I want you to see the 3 longs this morning. Long 1, long 2, long 3. Can anybody tell me why I was taking these longs here on the lows here, 1, 2, and 3? Okay. Does anybody know why I took these longs here, everybody?
Are we on the back?
The 60-minute right here.
One, two.
Okay, you know the answer, but let me see. Okay, if anybody can tell me why here. Okay.
Rising ADX.
No.
New low, new low, new low.
You were right behind me, and I said this at least 30 times.
We'll see. Oh, non-confirmation.
Right. So you're making new lows here, the MACD's didn't confirm. You made a new low here, the MACD's didn't confirm. Okay, you made a new low here, the MACD's. All three new lows here, I was a buyer of the market. Okay, and then they just ricocheted right back up. Now, when you see a pencil move like this, so they go from 28,678, they run roughly 500 points right here. Okay, they rally roughly 500 points here. Okay, and what do you look to do? You look for pullbacks, especially with the ADX is rising like this. You can see how the ADXs were rising. And what you do is when you have an ADX rising on the 60, the 30, and the 15, what you look to do here, okay, you wait patiently right here. This is the 4 o'clock. This is the 5 o'clock bar, and you can see how they rallied off the oversold condition on the 15. This was a buy right here. Damn it, I was just explaining things. And then if you really look at the great pattern, the 210 pattern on the day, this is the long I called at the end of the day right here. And why? Because I saw the 15-minute time frame bull flag setting up. And then what you can see here is the 210 pattern that was a monster long right here. So when you get this push up here like this, all right, and then you didn't even get a drop. Okay. And then look at this oversold condition right here at 210 below, 29,080. We call the range 40 to 80. And then look at this rally. Boom, right here. Roughly 200 points in literally 15 minutes right here. Okay. Now, when you see this pattern, what triggered this buy was the fact that the 15-minute reversed to buy. Right, the Q's, the 30-minute reverse to buy right here. The 60-minute didn't reverse to buy till about 2 o'clock, but or maybe what time was the 6? Yeah, the 60-minute reverse to buy here at 1:30. So now all three time frames are in buy mode, right? All three time frames are in buy mode. So if all three time frames are in buy mode, okay, then what happens is that you basically want to wait for the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. And the 5-minute time frame pullback occurs right here. Okay, oversold, positive MACD, rising ADX, big buying pressure, oversold right above the 10 bar, 06, boom, NASDAQ ran 300. The Qs ran roughly $5. This is an absolute Picasso. All right. So again, it's really important to understand that the sequence of events. So the Qs reversed to buy on the 30, the 60, the 30, and the 15. Okay. And next thing you know, you wait patiently. You got the big ADXs here, the big buying pressure. You wait for the oscillator to get somewhat oversold. You start buying here. And then boom, right back up. All right. NASDAQ just ran from 36 up, just ran 64. S&Ps just ran about 8. Everything's hunky-dory again here. Beautiful. Everything is hunky-dory. Okay. All right. So now we got the Qs here where they close. They close at 19. Okay, 16. Imagine if you stayed long, you would have been killing it. Okay. All right. So one of the things that's important to recognize here, thank you. She took off over 2 inches of hair. Oh my God, my hair was a bush. I look like something from one of the reality TV shows. All right. So let's go here. Love Island. Right. All right. NASDAQ just got up here to the 02 level. None. You never beat me. All right. gold. Remember I told you gold was going to 4,100 and then it dropped to 40.58. Well, we bought a ton of the gold stocks here this morning. Okay, a ton under 51 on 52. We bought AU. Look at this thing. Boom. We bought a ton of this here. If you look at AU, right, you can see AU right here. Oops, that's the weekly. Let me look at the daily. Look at this AU here. We bought look at a 77. We bought a lot of this. Was this PALL? Is this the one? Yep. We bought this here. The for platinum. Okay. FCX. I don't know what the hell that did here. That ran 4, but the earnings were terrible on that. All right. So look at gold up 123 here. Got a nice bull flag setting up on the 30-minute. Look at the bull flag on the 30-minute time frame here on gold. You can see it live ticking here on the 30. Oops. All right. Let's see if the gold can. We can see the 30-minute bull flag rising 80x. So if this gold can get down anywhere between the 28.5 and 36.5. Yep. Who sent that? Whoever sent that, can you send that to me? Let's see what he sent here. How come this happens when I do that? It's Christmas in June. All right. Okay. All right. NASDAQ just hit the 600 mark, just dropped 2. Again, making new highs, 25 on the NASDAQ, making new highs. If you get back above 600, I think it's a short up to 635 on the NASDAQ. We got everything we wanted. I can't see because the thing is here in the way here. Let me see if I could make this a little bit smaller here. Just in, President Trump says U.S. made a great deal with Iran. It's pretty much completed. We got everything we wanted. Okay. Okay. Let's just see if it's true. I think you sell the good news. Okay. Globex opening what? Oil right now? No way. Oil's 97? It can't be.
No, it's 86.
86. What are you saying 97?
In his dreams.
NQ Futures, how are you? All right. Oil doesn't care. NASDAQ, this is the, okay. Let's just see. The 1 minute time frame, very, very short-lived here. We won the war, right? I think isn't his birthday today? Papa Trump's birthday as well? Yeah, I think it's his birthday. Could look it up.
When is President Trump's birthday?
Yeah, I think it's soon.
President Donald Trump's birthday is on June the 14th.
Oh, June 14th. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. All right. What happened, day trader? What happened, brother? You got hurt today? Josh, are you back? Josh? Are you back, baby goat? Oh. He's back. Okay, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Hey Sam, how are you? Hey Sam. Hey Sam, how are you? Okay. I'm gonna drop. Oh! I knew that short. I knew that short up there. NASDAQ non-confirmation here, making the new highs right here above 600. Right? Unbelievable. I'm scared to look at where SanDisk is trading. SNDK. Look at this thing. No, oh my God, 915. SNDK. Oh my God, look at this daily. 536, 514. Yep. All right, let's just see here the NASDAQ. $19.35. Where's Micron? What's he eating?
I don't think anything, is it?
Henny. Where's Micron trading now? Anybody know? Okay. Oh, you got positive day trader? Great job. 1,004. Okay, 1,004. What's that? Wow, I said it'd be $1,000 tonight. All right, it's a casino. You ain't kidding. I still think okay. I just think that this was done in a way to make the market be positive for the SpaceX IPO tomorrow. Okay. Hey, Alex. $350 on gold. That would mean that gold would go down 30 points from here. That's nothing. 30 points? What's the matter with him? Oh, he's hungry now. That's the problem. I don't feed him. I cut back a little bit on him.
Maybe he's starving.
Well, look at the size of him.
It's just because you cut his food back,
Yeah.
you got to exercise him.
Hello,
Actually,
palm tree trader.
He needs to exercise you.
What'd you eat just now? What'd you eat? He's not going to throw up, is he here? Oh, boy. All right, let me just focus on the market here. 540. These are overbought here. See if they get a push up.
Come here. Come here.
Is he okay?
I don't know. I'll take him out. Let me just close off positions.
Is he okay?
Well, I don't know. I'll take him outside and make sure. Just in case.
He's licking his mouth a lot, though.
I'll take him out.
I don't know what the hell's wrong with him.
I don't think anything's wrong. Hold on. Let me just get it on you. Come here. Come here, Moose.
Come here, Moosey. Sorry about that. All right, I wanted to short them up here. Oh, my screen. Oh, my screen's going out. What happened here?
Let's go.
Henny. Easy with the screens, Henny. Easy with my screens. So this is a short I was looking for. I was thinking maybe 610, 615. The high was 602, 603. The non-confirmation is very quiet tonight here. Very, very quiet here. All right. See if we get one more push up here. How's everybody doing tonight? Very quiet here. Wow, they're going right back up. This NASDAQ is unbelievable. Do I think the market's going to give a great kaboom tomorrow? I don't know. You know, the bottom line is that gold, I'd be scaling out the longs on the gold above 37 here. Gold just rallied very sharply here. I'd be out of the gold long. Okay. I don't know. I think it's all, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I think that the SpaceX is already pretty much priced in, if you ask me. Anybody long gold on that pullback there? That gold was a nice long there. Gameplay, how are you? All right. Sanker Jr., how are you? Johnny Fonz, C Trader, Trade Keith Matthews, the Wolfman, Kelly, Rising ADX, where? It's 30. Yes, this is beautiful. 23, very, very bullish. I'd like to see if we could you think the daily's going to run into a bear flag? Let's see. Well, you could. You got a ton of overhead resistance here. I'd like to see him get kabooshed. S&P's just ran 4. NASDAQ, 82. You got the gold, Joey Mike. Good job. That was beautiful on that gold. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Anybody get the long on the gold? You like my haircut, J Dubes? Oh, geez, look at him. All right. Jennifer, great job. I'd like to see this NASDAQ get a little higher here. How anybody watched the Knick game last night? Unbelievable, that Knick game, right? This is in the longest we haven't taken anything here. Well, the gold was the only one. See if this NASDAQ can get a push up here. Oh. The World Cup's in. Yeah, my friend was there last night. He sent me a video of the final shot. It was pretty insane. Why are you buying gold at 42? I didn't call. I said the range was 28.5 to 30, 27.5 to 34.5. Why are you buying 42s? That doesn't make sense. I said they would lose. Yes, I did. I'll admit it. I said it. Yeah. So what's bigger, the Knicks winning or the Spurs choking? Anybody can answer that? So what's bigger, the Knicks winning or the Spurs choking, if you want to even call it a choke job? I agree. Spurs choking. Pure choke. Knicks winning? Wow. Okay. This gold, look at this gold. Well, I think the gold is going to turn up with the 30-minute time frame. You're going to have to wait. If the NASDAQ gets up to the 29,605 to 45, I would look to take a short. We won the war. Amazing. Oh, let's see what a lot of these stocks did. AEM, ARM. What this thing do? Boom. Jesus. DRAM. There goes the gold. What a long on the gold. Oh my God. Let's see if we get another push up here. We got more downside here. Jennifer, good job. You got to go. Joey, Mike, good job. Let's see here. Very quiet tonight, right? Right, shameful, right, J-Dubs? J-Dubs, if you're new, Prentice. If any of you would like a 5-day free trial, just please text me your phone name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484.
Is it the NASDAQ not confirming?
What? Yeah, the new high.
Yeah, it's not confirming. On which time frame?
On the 5 and the 15. So that's why I called the short at 610. If it gets 605, did it get up there?
No.
Mhm.
600.
Look at the gold. Gold just went from 27 to 50. What was it, 27? Yeah. 28, 29. What the hell was Taylor Swift doing there last night? I think gold can turn up to 66 once these 30s turn up. Ian Sub makes silver great again. Hi, Ian. Uncle Steve says hello, Ian. All right. Well, it looks like they just dropped here. Oh my God. Oh, so tired. My eyes. I don't know what a double tap is, to be honest with you. What's a double tap?
Double tap is when military blows the place up, waits for the paramedics to show up, blows it up again.
What happened?
The military strike.
No, I'm talking about the market. Not here. All right, NASDAQ, we canceled the short, just dropped 15. S&P's just dropped 2 here. Did you have to go bathroom?
Yeah, you're not even grass.
Oh, boy.
It's good stomach ache. I'm gonna leave this on just in case I have to take it back out.
Did he? No, he's okay. It's okay.
Okay, take it off then. I'll put it.
No, okay. Did he go?
Yeah, he pooped earlier today when I took him out.
He just pooped just now?
No.
Oh.
He had a lot of grass.
What's the matter with your belly? See, he's doing this with his lips now. Something's wrong.
Yeah, he's stomach ache.
Hmm?
Got stomach ache maybe. Maybe he'll do it later on.
Oh, boy, I got to take him in.
Just watch him for a bit. I'll keep an eye on him.
To take him in today, you think?
can't make that call.
What on you?
I think he's probably okay, but
610.
Yeah, short him here, 610 up to 650. NASDAQ, S&P 17 up to 25. Yeah.
okay. Oh, wow. Should've got it.
See if you could take your scalp short here in the positive trend. Look for some type of a pullback. No, Henny, you're not eating anything. You got a stomach ache. Can somebody please type in my SK YouTube, my phone number, please? So,
There you go.
let's see if we get a nice little pullback here on the NASDAQ. Gold was good. Wow. Boom.
I had to order that right there.
Geez, look at the gold drop. Damn it. Look at the gold drop. NASDAQ, I would cover NASDAQ below 10 if you sold it up there. It just dropped down to 07 on the NASDAQ. Should have been a nice little trade. I hope not. That was the bone from last night. That was it's Kalayjian bone,
It's
right?
been like that since last night?
Yeah.
Then maybe not getting to it.
No.
Maybe they're not good for us. They should be fine, but maybe they're too rich for them or something.
I put my drops in my eyes. Boom. Hope you guys covered your shorts when it got down to 07. See if we get another drop here. Kaboom. You ain't kidding, kaboom. Put the 1 minute back up. This is the double blue buy here. Oh, man. Just does not want to stop going up. All right, look to cover the shorts here. 03 to 13. $29.75 take profit. 750. All right, could get there. I think these 30 and 60-minute time frames, I think you're going to get some type of a pullback first on that. Okay. Good evening. How are you, Matt? I think the most important thing here is SpaceX good or no? I don't know. People tell me it's overvalued. My fundamental guys can take years to show a profit. What the hell do I know? I just see what I trade. I trade what I see. That's it.
Trade the trade.
It's not about anything other than trade what you see. Trade the pattern. Yes, that's my cell phone number. Okay. Trade the pattern. Okay. You should have covered your shorts here at 07. Okay. See if we get some type of a push down. Here's the 1 minute. They just want to buy and buy and buy and buy and buy. No, they want to buy and buy. So the gold on that pullback before, which is probably was a really great long, because the 15-minute time frames, as you see here, were deeply oversold here. So when you got the 15s oversold here, and now you got the 30s look like they're going to turn up here, this gold could get up to the probably 54 to 58.60 range. But this was the pullback here on the gold right here. You can see the pullback. Was this the pullback? No, this is it right here. Got down. No, is that it? It's right here. That's it. Where did it get down to? Right. Was it? What time do we start? 30. That's it. 38. Yeah. I called the range 27 and a half to 34 and a half, I believe. And I got down to 29 and just ripped. Right? Just ripped. Oh, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows the ES futures? Who knows? Really, in all honesty, does anybody really? Sandisk, 1960? Oh my God. Unbelievable. You could take a scalp short here again, 40 up to 80 on the NASDAQ. S&Ps, it did drop. You could look to short 21 up to 27. Gold just dropped. These are scalps. You're fading the trend if you don't want to, don't have to. Just looking, 690 on the NASDAQ. That's what you think they're going? Maybe. I'd like to see a pullback. NASDAQ just doesn't stop.
29,848.
Really great pattern at 210. And again, for those of you who started the day here late a little bit, I just want to show you the longs this morning we had on the 60-minute time frame. If you see here at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock, every low here, one low, two low, three new lows, we were able to identify and buy, and the MACDs did not confirm the highs. So basically what happened was we caught these longs, and then here's the tweet by Papa Trump. He's not going in, or he's not striking. Like really, like he comes out and says, we're going to hit Iran hard tonight. I said to my friend, this is not happening. He's not going to tell you what he's thinking and telling the whole world that we're hitting Iran. It ain't happening, right? And what do you think happens? Right? He comes out and says, we're not hitting Iran tonight. Okay? We're making peace. We're going to meet in Europe and sign the deal, the accord. You got to sign up for the wheel, right? You see it? Then he posted it. Everybody, please sign up for the raffle tonight. So again, these were the low, and then again, once you got the QQQs reversing to buy here, right here, the Qs reversing to buy on the 30 and then the 60. The pattern, look at again, the MACDs from below the pivot, the pattern that you need to buy here was the 5-minute time frame. Look at this beautiful bull flag at 210. You got oversold with my, here go, NASDAQ, S&Ps, I would lower your stops. Wow. Hi. What's the matter with your tummy? He's looking. What does that mean when a dog keeps doing? I got to look it up. Making me a nuts over here. Gold just dropped 10. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. If you like the 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and email, or if you'd like to talk to me, I'm more than happy to give you a call. Okay? Okay. S&Ps, I would have covered below 18. Nasdaq's dropping. S&P's dropping. Oh my God. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, Henny's hair. Oof. All right, let's see here. Nasdaq's dropping. Oh my God, Henny. Look this up here.
It's the stomachache.
What's stomachache?
That's what it says.
Nasdaq dropping. S&P's dropping.
They eat graphs to make them induce vomiting.
Nausea, pain, or anxiety. Pain?
Might have to think say that.
That's what mine says.
I'll go with yours.
Almost 30.
All right. Gold just got kabooshed. I got to tell you, really, you think of it, though, the PPI and the CPI numbers were terrible, right? And you got the, what a nice short there on the NASDAQ and gold. Iran agrees to open Strait of Hormuz in return for SpaceX IPO allocation. Love it.
That's hilarious.
You okay? He's sick. I got to bring him in. There.
Why?
I'm going to bring him in. Now he's making me really worried. Wow. Oh, boy. All right, gold got caboose. Nasdaq just dropped from 21. S&Ps. Nasdaq just dropped. Bobby Trace, if you're up 2,000, you got to know when to stop, right? Really, right? You have to learn how to stop, if you ask me. You looking it up?
Yeah, I looked it up already. It said nausea.
Wow, look at the NASDAQ drop. Wow, look at gold drop.
So each graphs to make you throw up.
Yeah, but he does that all the time. I don't know. I might have to take him in here tonight. Cost me another 500, but it's worth it. What's going on with this? It's okay.
They eat grass.
No, I gotta take him in tonight. Oh boy. All right. I won't get no sleep tonight too. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 50 here on that short. S&P's just dropped 10. Again, you're making new highs here. The non-confirmation. No, it's not too hot. He loves being at home. Anybody get that short there?
See, it didn't work. I had it sitting resting down there. Just
All right. They rallied right back up. Boom. 85. Just ran. Look at this. 45 to 80. 60 down, 20 up. Yeah, I did. I was up like $36,000 in a very short period of time. And then I traded silver and I lost like about 10 grand, which would have, if I stayed in the long, would have been about 50. But they told me I lost more than 30%. I said, I can't trade like this. I said, I'm not trading. I traded like this my whole life. I said, I'm up 30, right? Well, if you're short of 622, the range was 640. It's 40 to 80. So why are you shorting 622? I mean, you can do what you want. So no. So basically, what happened was I lost about maybe 10, but I didn't sell it, but it stopped me out. And when I went to go back in, I wouldn't. I keep getting stopped out. What's going on, Morbid? And then next thing I know, I said to the owner, how do you take my account? Okay. I'm walking here. Okay. So he says to me, I said, I have still $25,000. I'm up. Oh no, you can't look at it like that. I'm like, why not? And he says to me, oh no, it's called the consistency rule. I said, what the hell is that? And he says to me, you lost more than 30% in the account. I said, so what? I still am up $25,000. I lost 10, right? And I'm like, what the hell is this about? I said, this game ain't for me, right? You know, I mean, I trade Micron, AMD, SanDisk. You think I got mental stops in my head, dollar amount, okay? You're gonna, and let's say I'm up $250,000 for the week, and I give back 30. Does that mean I'm done for the day? No, my stop is probably like maybe 75 for the day, right? Okay, but still, what kind of thing is that? Right? So that's wrong. Your break even should be below. Your break even should be below. So at least if it touches, you could buy and make a little money. All right. See, we're picking our spots here today. Gold just dropped 20. Jesus, gold just dropped. Gold's going right back down, by the way. Yeah, they took the 25,000 away from me, D Hall. I said, what the hell is that? I think this is wrong. If you're going to trade a prop, right? Just my personal opinion. If you're going to trade a prop, isn't it the best thing? Let's say you build up 10,000. If you lose 30%, you're done. It should be if you blow the account. I don't know. That's how I would probably look at it, but maybe I'm crazy. That happened when silver was going crazy. What, 6 months ago? A couple of months ago? Do you remember that?
Seems like so. Seems like so long ago.
I mean, I'm saying to myself, like, what the heck? NASDAQ, gold, you could take a scalp long here anywhere from the 16 to 23 range. Any push-up should make a lower high here. S&Ps dropped from 21 down to 11. NASDAQ, 45 down to 85. Yeah, they froze they said, bye-bye. You just got to get another account. I'm like, why? I'm still up $25,000. Those silver trades, right? Then they raised the margin. Then nobody trades. I don't think I mentioned the word silver until just now in the last 3 weeks. You know, I haven't. Gold's going to get another push up here.
Look at that spike on that.
That's not how you trade.
Gee,
What happened?
NASDAQ.
It dropped.
It shot up and then
Oh.
it moved.
What do you mean you should trade prop accounts as your money? Of course. I understand that.
But you got to trade it like you did.
But you got to trade it with room to breathe.
Then you got-
So if I'm up $30,000 or $35,000 and I drop 10, I should have the right to trade the money again if I want, or just walk away, right? I don't know. That's just my opinion. Everybody has a right to an opinion, right?
As long as it's your opinion.
No, I'm saying, you know, Gabriel trades. NASDAQ's getting another push up here. This NASDAQ gets between the 65, 70 and even. You can maybe look to take a long here. Gold, look to scale out any longs here, 25 to 28. What was the low here on the NASDAQ here? 88. You could probably go lower on the gold. You can go 60 to 90, 560 to 590.
You mean NASDAQ?
NASDAQ, I mean, sorry. Yes, sir. I'm a little tired. Hey, Just Bob, Michael. Isn't the Rapid account like that? I don't know, to be honest with you. I hope so. It was a lot, I believe, I don't know. All I know is I made the $36,000 in literally in 2 days. Wow, happy birthday, D Hall. Wow. Yes, sir. The 14th of June. Yes, sir. I hope everybody signed up for the raffle. We're going to do a lot differently. There goes the gold right back up. No, what'd you do, Schultze? What kind of rule do you break? Eagle Eyes. Everybody welcome Eagle Eyes. I love that. Good job. I don't know. I come from the world of trading. You know, I had $1 billion line. I had $1 billion account I used to trade. So, I mean, for me, you know, I don't know anything about a consistency rule. So when it hit me like that, you know, I mean, look, I mean, I made it $35,000, $36,000 in gold and silver when they were crazy 8, 9 months ago. When silver was up 3, down 2, up 5, down 4, you know, and then then now you want, I don't know, like I have an account right now, it's a $400 million account. So what am I don't know what that means, you know, if you're up money for the month and you lose, you know, 30. So let's say I'm up 253, let's say 300,000 and I lose 30%. They're not shutting me down 200. If I'm up 300 for the month, I get back 90. They're not shutting me down, you know, but I don't know. You know what the bottom line is? There's no reason to fuss over it, because the bottom line is without micros and without prop firms, you guys would not, what would you do? I wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be here. People lives wouldn't be changed. So you know what? Deal with it. Learn the rules. And the way I think to do this, truthfully, is to have multiple accounts. I understand some people can't afford it. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make money on, if I say, you know, code SK or anything like that. I don't do that. I'm old school. My job is to teach you a methodology to help you to change your lives, to be able to better your lives every single day. Okay, to teach you how to trade, how to scale in, how to trade using underlying ETFs during the US session, the ability to teach divergences, correlation patterns. That's what I'm about. I'm not about an affiliate. If you have multiple accounts, I feel the pressure is off. And I feel that by having that, you're going to be able to enhance. You know what? Maybe open the door. Maybe that door we open, put the chair there or something. I don't think he's going to go out. That one. Oh, that one, I think. What do you think, Levi? No?
I'll do whichever one.
Yeah, do that one. He's not going to go out. Stay here, honey, next to Daddy. Or just put a box there or something. I don't know. Is it cooler outside?
No, it's hot.
It's hotter?
It's fine. You good? Feel good.
All right, let's see if the gold can rally here. Oh, I feel the difference already. Nothing there? I'm going to get a wedge. What about one of his bones or something under there? Under the door.
Maybe open the door over there.
No, stay. How do you stay? How do you stay? Let's see if this gold can get another push up. All right, NASDAQ dropping here. Let's see if you get one more push up here in the NASDAQ on the 5. Wow, I feel it. Put a leaf blower there. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I have my my own live stream every day from 8:30 to 4. So I feel it. Much better.
I think we open that one. It'll get a
We got a position? Okay. We're trying to booby trap this. Just woke up. Everybody welcome Jan Adam Magnus.
Thank you.
Yeah, that seems. Feels like it's.
Yes, Daddy loves you so much. Yes, Daddy take care of you. Daddy takes care of you. Oh boy. What a short up there. Oh, much better. Feel that?
Kenny, stay there.
There goes the gold.
Yep.
There goes the gold. There goes the gold right there. 23 up to 27. I hate the cold weather in New York. NASDAQ, I'll be scaling out longs here above 80 to 90 range. There goes the gold. S&Ps just ricocheted up about 3-4. You got to really do your homework on understanding prop accounts, motocross. Boom. Look at the gold.
Got it.
It dropped. Yeah.
Got it.
It went up and then dropped.
I
Kabooshed.
got 40 points on the downside.
On the short?
Yeah.
NASDAQ?
No. Gold.
You sure that gold up there?
Yeah. I had an order rest. That's.
What the hell happened to the gold?
Almost.
Oh, wow. What a breeze. Oof. That's beautiful.
I'm gonna buy you air.
No, I don't need it.
Yeah, you did.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you did. Oh man. What
Look at the gold making new. Whoa, 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 whoa. We lost the war. What happened? We lost the war. Oh, we lost the war.
Come on, baby.
Wow, look at the gold get kabooshed. 32 to 16. 16 goes up 101. You could maybe take a scalp long here. 07, 08 to 15.
Wow, I missed that.
Wow, who knew that? That's,
Man.
yeah.
What's going on? Something's happening.
NASDAQ's down. If NASDAQ hits 45, it'd be 100 off the highs. Again, you pushed up to new highs. The MACDs couldn't confirm. You see that right here? The NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame, if I make this smaller, you can see the new high here on this beautiful bear flag did not confirm the highs. That's why I said I would take the short. Look at that. Boom. Right here. You see that, everybody? If you draw your horizontal, I'd sell the gold down above 15 to 18. This is a beautiful pattern right here. You can see the overbought condition. 1, 2. You had two beautiful bear flags. 1, 2. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful bear flags. Kaboosh. Where's the bear? All right. Can you imagine waking up tomorrow? They're down 250 points on the S&P and 1,000 on the NASDAQ. They wouldn't even know what to happen. They would not know what hit them. So I wanted to show you this here, this sell divergence. 1 bear flag, 2 bear flags, 3 bear flags, 4 bear flags. Who trades off the 4-hour chart? Anybody? Anybody trade off the 4-hour chart? You do? Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Let's see if we get one more push here. NASDAQ, if it gets down here, and the NASDAQ again, NASDAQ gets down to the even to 40, I would look to buy it. Gold, I'll be scaling out the golds here between 10 and 13, 10 and 14. If you're long, this gold should get one more push up here. Here we go, 11. NASDAQ just ran 25. Damn it. Pushing up, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. So when the gold made the new high during the Asia session, okay, you can see how the gold, when the gold made the new high here, I think that was really important here. Oops. Okay, let's see if this thing. If the gold made the new high, as you can see here, the MACDs could not confirm the highs here on the 5. And there goes the gold right back up. There you go. You see here, you made the new high for the Asia session, 51, non-confirmation. Made the new high here on the 15, pushed up, non-confirmation. NASDAQ, if you're long, I'd sell it between 45 and 50.
No.
He's got it.
That way.
No,
Okay.
come. I don't think he's feeling well.
No, but I think he's probably okay. He just
NASDAQ just got above 51. What a short up there. You see how I was calling the shorts up there on the non-confirmation? I do not use EMA. Thank you, Brad. You trade the 4-hour with your, okay. So you think fading is the best thing? You have to be a professional to know how to fade. I mean, you want to see a crazy move, okay? You want tell me how you, I traded this. No, he's not going anywhere. Look at this move. Here's a 210 bar. It pushed up 52, drops. Now look at this parabolic move. Here 57, boom, 54, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Look at this. Here 76, 74, boom, 82, 89, boom, 76. Look at the 70s. What is this one? 82, 89, boom. Here's another one. Right, boom. 83. What's this one? 93, boom, 89. That's fading a trend. You know how hard that is? Okay. I am the short king. Do you need to go out tonight? You need to go.
Yeah, if you're not using it.
I may have to take him to the vet. I'm 50-50. I don't know yet. NASDAQ above 50, I'd be scaling out of longs. These 15s might turn up. This gold, I'd be scaling out of longs anywhere from the 10 to 13, 14, 15 range. S&P's just rallied 3. NASDAQ just ran 20. There goes the NASDAQ. Do I think the AI bubble will pop? Yes. I think it's all a joke. I really do. I really think it's a joke. I think if you, wow, look at the NASDAQ, 30 up. You long? Good job. Nice oversold condition on. There goes the gold. Right down there. 07 to 15. I'd be scaling out the longs here. 14 out. 14, 15 out. NASDAQ, this rally 30. See, very patient today. Right? Very patient. Very, very patient. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Also, if you would like to watch my podcast, it's free. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. If you'd like to follow me on social media, at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. He's all right. Henny, come.
I don't want him running out.
No, he's like, he's going to stay good. Henny, come to your father. Come on. Come. The good thing about the vet, it's open 24 hours.
That's the emergency point.
Yeah. It's right by my house. Hello, Daddy. Hello. Hello, Daddy loves you very much. I love you. Yes. I love you too. No, it's okay. I love you, my boy. I love my Henny. Daddy loves his Henny. What am I doing? You eating? Wow, it's nice in here now. I think we found the remedy.
At nighttime.
Your wife gonna like that cup?
Yeah.
Kabooshed.
Especially since it came from you.
Oh, thanks. The cup's going to Thailand.
It's gonna be on camera.
Oh my God. All right. Right back down. Oof. 30 up, 20 down on the NASDAQ. I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. It's found on my SK Trading YouTube. You can watch it. So gold reversed to sell on the 15, which means you went into, instead of a net positive trend, you went into a sell reversal, which means that during this Asia session, there's an 85%, 85% chance that the highs are in for the day, for the night, for this session. Hey, get back here. Get back here. Good boy. He listens to me, though.
He should.
My daddy loves you.
You're his man.
Daddy loves you. I think, you know what it is I'm thinking? Remember I gave him that bone yesterday
Yeah.
from the freezer? I'm throwing that, huh?
Could be. In the freezer should be fine. It just might be he's getting too many of them. Maybe just one a day or one every couple times a week.
I'm not giving him anything anymore. That's it. You're on double secret probation. No more. We're done. He's done.
Could be anything.
Yeah. Question on the gold, the 15 pullback after the 1 hour reverse to buy. Where's that? I don't see that. Oh, the 60-minute reverse to buy on the gold? Yes. So that was the long that I was calling when we came in at 8:15, and it shot up from 23 up to 51, right? Yeah, we look at crude, but nothing's going on in crude tonight. I'll look at it for you. Okay. NASDAQ right back up. Crude, we don't look at silver anymore because silver just, they ruined it. Then if you look at silver tonight, probably has the same type of pattern. See, this is a pencil pattern right here. And then you want to short the next bounce. 12, boom, dropped about 30. And if you look at gold, the identical same pattern on the gold, you can see this is called the pencil pattern. It dropped, boom, here.
Oh, God, I just missed that.
What, the long? And it got 32. Look at this, 32, now 28. Ricochets back up to 14, and then right back down to 04 on the gold. This is a pencil pattern. It dropped, you can see here, 28. Then you try to short the next bounce into the negative MACD, got up to 14, okay? And then you can take the short against the negative MACD and the pencil, right? And then you should get the next drop. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? What is your stats? I don't know what that means. My P&L? Well, it's within my the hedge fund. I can't disclose that. They're pretty damn good, though. Why are you calling tonight, Wild Deuces? We got the raffle in 45 minutes. Or 35 minutes. Paula Lima, welcome, Paula Lima. If you're new, you want to text me. You're okay, JK3, another one, addicted to trading. You got 5 or 10 new people. Just text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. And I will, I called along down there. And then I will, I will send you a 5-day free trial. Okay, it starts every Monday. Right back down here. Okay. Wow, right back down. Damn. Oh, negative MACD. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion. I'm here to help you, addicted to trading, if you like. JK3, okay. Paula Lima, Hamid, Paul Lima, the Stanley Cup. What's the score, Pac-Man? Talk to me, Goose. Oh, wow. NASDAQ just dropped 40. Wow, look at that short. SpaceX tomorrow. Yes, sir. keep the symbol here. Let's see the gold on the bear flag here at 15. Let's see what who's winning, Pac-Man? Christopher, is it 2-2? What was Vegas winning? Oh my God, what a short. 78, just dropped 40. If this NASDAQ gets down to the 98 to 28 range, I'll look to buy the NASDAQ here. The 15s are getting deeply oversold here. Probably get one more push up here. S&Ps anywhere from the 99 to 05, or you can go, actually you can go 98.5 to 04.5 on the S&Ps. Let's see if you get one more push. 1-1. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The series game's tied. Thank you. Wow, what a nice breeze, huh? What a nice breeze. Papa Trump. Who thinks the where do you think SpaceX is going to open tomorrow? Anybody know? Anybody have that? No. Anybody have an idea? Where do you think SpaceX is going to open tomorrow? Anybody have an idea? Anybody? Oh. I think it's going to open. You're capping it at 150? No, I think it's priced at 130, 135, right? And then I think it's going to open around 180, higher than 135. BlackRock's due to get 5 million shares, hopefully, right? You can get out any longs here between the 20 and the 30 range on the NASDAQ. Sunday, we have Game 6 of the Stanley Cup, World Cup games, then the UFC event. We need more screens. I agree, Christopher. The more screens, the merrier. I would love to have another fourth row. All my bigger time frames. Oh, my God. That's what I'm going to do next place I go. I'm going to have a whole row of just all the bigger time frames tilted on an angle downward to me. So we got here, the NASDAQ hit the high of 29,645. We're down about 130 points off the high there. The S&Ps were trading 21. They're down 20 off the highs. Gold went from 51 down to 20, down to 07. I'd be scaling on the longs here, 20 to 30 on the NASDAQ. S&Ps 03 to 05, 04.5. I need more screens, Brian. What's up, Daytick? What's going on? Daytick is new. Looks like Daytick is new. UFC White House. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Is that going to be televised?
Is that what his birthday thing is?
No, that's for this. That's the
250.
yeah. How you doing tonight?
Me?
Yeah.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah.
What happened to him?
Yeah, with me.
No, him. How are you up tonight?
Yeah.
How much? 800.
Shot 455.
Okay.
I'm just taking. You know what?
Are you past the evals at all?
Yeah, no, I've passed 3 evals
Mhm.
done. I had 4. Blew one last night.
Or one today? Or one last night?
No, last night.
Oh, when that spike up?
Yeah, that spike up got me. It was just stupid.
That was retarded. 200 points.
It was retarded.
200 points in 4 minutes. Then it dropped
But
150.
I broke my own rule. I've been going 1, 2, 4,
Mhm.
and I've been going 1, 2, 4, and I've been placing them up. I'm setting them up. Everything's been good. And I went 2, 4, 8, and these things don't handle it.
No,
And then it got out of hand, so
Yeah.
I couldn't scale out of it in time.
you just waved the white
It was
flag.
gold to drive them.
You just waved the white flag. Who called 29,500? That's a good job.
But
And then you can look to buy them here 70 to 29,470 to 29,500.
I've got a pretty good system going now. It's working.
Okay.
And now I'm starting to look at the 60-minute and studying it like you
Mhm.
told me to do.
Yeah, well, it's important to learn.
Then what I'm going to do is
It's important to
when I'm
learn
talking
that.
to you, a lot of my questions are going to be geared around that time.
Good.
So I learned that time frame. You sure you don't want to give me anything for that time?
No.
She's going to love that. We went back to that place today.
You did? You liked it?
It was convenient. We had to go out there and go to the grocery store, but it was good.
There you go. Okay.
She loved that, man.
Nasdaq's down 160 off, 150 off the highs.
You look like you're feeling a little bit better, baby.
I need to use sunscreen. That's hysterical.
You had a good day?
Yeah, I mean, I was tired.
Yeah.
I was up small. I'm mad at myself. That 210 pattern.
Yep.
I saw it. I was going to load up on Micron. I was going to load up on AMD, Spiders and Qs.
Yep.
And I just waited one last second to see if it was going to, I knew that pattern with the ADX was rising, the pullback on the 5. I thought it was, a really great long. All right, let's see if this NASDAQ.
Gold just dropped.
Yeah, gold's got the bear flag. All right. Let's see if this gold NASDAQ can get back above the 90 to even 500 range. You should get one more push up here. Should make a lower high on the NASDAQ. I think it's going to turn up here. You can see this was the push up here. When you see these negative MACDs on the 5, I got to tell you, I do love the 5-minute time frame. I know I've been looking at the 1 minute a lot. You can see here the 1 minute time frame. You can see the little bear flag here. And you can look to sell out anywhere between the 85 and the 500 level. What'd you do? You didn't get the short up there, or you bought on the way down?
I got the short, but I closed it early.
So you're up or you down?
Down.
How much?
5,500.
What? You gave back the whole day?
Yep.
In that one account?
Yep.
You're still trading that one account?
Well, the selling kind of got.
Oh, well. So net you're down 35?
55. Oh, net.
You were up 2, you told me.
Yeah, up 2 for the day. So, no, I get back yesterday too.
Can't do that.
Yeah.
I don't know what you were doing.
Nothing great.
The short was great.
Yeah, the non-confirming. I did see
Okay.
that. And I probably could have just stayed patient with that. Obviously, stayed patient with that. It's earlier I was shorting at the highs,
Okay.
and it just was. It was just
You went long up there?
No, I was actually when it broke the 580s
Mm-hmm.
pre-market highs. I did get long, and I
Why? I wasn't going longs there.
well, because I saw what it did earlier. It kept,
NASDAQ will be scaling out the longs, 85 up to even.
it just face off. I'm never trying to short it. So
But you see what I did? I waited patiently for that.
and so had I not had that experience, that I probably would have been all right.
Well, instead of just taking things on your own, which you have every right to, why'd you ask me?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the truth is, I came here to
What?
I came here to learn.
Right. And you're doing things on your
Do
own.
shit the way I've been doing it.
Right. So the bottom line, you're like a wild Bronco in Wyoming. No, I'm being honest. I'm not trying to be funny.
I know.
You know, I mean, you could have bought him here, right? Which, like I said, 28 and never got there, right? It rallied here. Okay. It pushed up. NASDAQ, I'd be flat, 500. There it is, out, up 30. S&Ps, okay. How's he going to learn? He should, because he's not familiar with the system yet. So if he's asking me, then I can convert, right? I can say, I don't see what you're doing. You could do it if you want. However, this is what I would do. You could take your, that's not the question of him taking his own trades. He has to learn the methodology first before he can be confident enough to take his own trades. Okay. He's still making mistakes that he had from the prior, right? Okay. He came here to be with me to learn how to undo the mistakes and learn a methodology. Okay. So I kept on calling shorts on the new highs because the non-confirmations, okay, on the 5-minute time frame and the 15s. So the 15-minute NASDAQ was making new highs here. The only time I think I called a long here, but I never got, it didn't get filled. The only time I called the long here on the way here was, where was this here? Where was this here? Was right around here. Okay, what is this one? Missed that one. Cancel it. Okay. It's not a question of me making mistakes. Of course I make mistakes as a human being. I'm trying to teach him how to undo his mistakes. He has bad habits. And I'm trying to teach him how to be consistent, how to identify something, right? There was no reason to take longs here, especially when these 15s were rolling over here. All right. Now, I mean, you could have scalped maybe here, 35s. Boom, they went up. This is the short I missed against the negative MACD.
Hey, what do they say? What do they say?
No, they're not mad. Don't say that word. No, don't say that. They're not saying, huh? They're not saying anything. They're saying that if you're up that much money in a day, right, as I'm telling you, then you stop that account. This is like the third time I've said it to you. I love you to death, Solomon, right?
Yeah.
The thing I'm trying to say is I don't care how much money you've lost. I don't care how much money you have in the bank. This is about a methodology. And the method, I've been doing this August 1st, 44 years. I don't break rank. I don't break rank. That has to be one of the hardest things today, right? I was dying to short Micron. You know what I did? I said, I'm not going to short Micron. Okay, I'm going to wait for the bigger time frames. We never got it. We'll get them tomorrow. ADXs are rising right here. Monster buying pressure, positive MACDs. I said, you know what? I can scalp probably 100 of these trades. I'm exhausted. All it takes is one trade to wipe me out for the day, right? And you know what trade that was? Ready? This one right here. See this here? Let's say I'm short 80s. This went boop to 90.
Done.
No, not done. I got capital behind me to trade it. But who wanted that? But hold on. It's 340. Do I want to be short Micron? God forbid, overnight. This thing's already trading up 10 points. God knows where we come in tomorrow. It could be 1050. If I'm short 3,000 Micron, 50 points against me, do I need that? 150,000, do I need that? 90,000, you know what I'm saying? I don't need it.
Yeah, definitely.
So what I'm trying to say is if you're going to trade big prop account and you have the resources to do it, trade it, be consistent, go to another one. Maybe not that one if you can afford it, or do something smaller, or that one. You do well on that one, then go to another one, and then just keep rotating. Because you know what the odds are? Let me tell you. You know casino?
Yeah.
Casino always wins.
Yeah.
They're not just ghost towns. What do they make you do? Keep playing.
Yep.
Right? You know what that keeps doing? Makes you keep playing. By you switching different accounts, you're still in the game, but you're not heavily. See what he did? He had 5 funded, he blew 1, he's got 4. He knew the mistake he made yesterday, it never happened again. Right. You can't do this.
I mean, that's just about what I did, because that was a.
What I'm telling you here now, look at the NASDAQ rally. Okay? S&Ps, I'll be out of 03, 04. Right? Okay?
The difference between, one lot versus 2 lots makes a huge difference.
And you see me, I'm doing this 44 years. I'm trading 2, 3, 5, 8, 10,000 AMD at a time, right? What I do today, I cut my position in half. He heard it. I said, Matt, cut my positions in half when I put them on, right? I don't want to get caught. I could absorb the loss of, 18 to 20, 30, $40,000 if I wanted. But you know what? I'm 44 years, and I still took the discipline enough to say, if I'm going to trade 25,000 AMD, cut it to 12.5.
Yeah.
Right? Why? What, just because I have 44 years experience doesn't mean I see something that warrants that type of reaction, right?
Mm-hmm.
Boom, right back down on the bear flag. See the push up into the negative MACD? So the NASDAQ just dropped after it pushed up to like whatever, 1020. No, hey, Iceman.
Every time.
Gold's going right back down. You're welcome, Mikey Jacques. And because of that speech, I missed the short. Look at the negative MACD. 21, just dropped 40. All right. Now these 15s are getting oversold here. If this NASDAQ gets down to the 30 to 70 range, I probably look to take another long here. No yawning in trading. Okay. So again, and I say this out of care. I don't say this to be a a scumbagio. Right. But the thing I'm trying to teach you, Solomon, is I see a lot of goodness. I see your focus. I see you understand the markets. I see how you can make money, right? The one thing that I think is a flaw is what you said to me in the car. How do you know when to stop?
Yeah.
Over trading can be one of the biggest detriments to a career.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see me today. I was up money. Good money. I mean, okay. One other guy was up about maybe, 28 to 35 with me, right? The other account, a little less, because I'm tired too, from the week and everything. So once I missed that 210 pullback, which really got me upset, everything ripped. Now, did I think Micron was going to go from 934 to 998? Did I think Sanders was going to go rally 50 points? Did I think the S&Ps were going to rally 70 off of that? I thought they were going to rally 15 to 25. Okay, not that. Okay, but if you and I say this, I think you could be really great. You have the focus. It's just a couple things, just a tweak here, a tweak here, by just constantly saying, "Hey, you know what? I listen to my father. I hear my father in my head every day, right? Okay, right, Daddy. Hello, boo boo. Right, and now I want you to hear me in your head, which means, hey, I'm up in money. Steve says, you know what? Stop. Close this account. You made it. Boom. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. Go to a different account. Hey, get back here. Right?
Yeah.
Go to a different account.
also, sometimes you just got to stop.
Yeah.
No, you can stop, but stop. It depends on the time of the day. If it's 11 o'clock morning, then go to a different account. If he has the time, if he wants to go to the beach and hang out at the the shrimp bar, go ahead. Who cares?
When overtrading is a problem,
I'm great.
I
I'm
think
good,
you
Ice
have to
Man.
learn
I'm
how
good.
to stop
Just tired from the
and
week.
walk away and not trade.
Well, I tend to think, yeah. I tend to think that, or better yet, if you've hit your goal for the day, right? You can still practice, watch, understand, ask questions. Hey, Steve.
Learn.
Okay, all 3 time frames just reverse to buy. What are we looking to do? NASDAQ, if you bought them, look to sell 80 up to 95. Hey, Steve, or even test yourself. When the Q's reverse to sell, to buy here on the 30 and 60-minute time frame, right here. You see the yellow dots into the blue? MACDs are from below the pivot. There's no way in the world they're going down, right? So the pullback at 210 in the afternoon,
We knew.
boom, right? The 210 pattern. Here, if you look here, you can see that, and I showed everybody before, the 60-minute reverses to buy at 130. MACD positive, not real, 80X is off, and then look what you do. You buy the pullback right here. Boom, 210. Look at the oversold condition. Positive 1 divergence, 2 diversions, 3 buy divergences. Why are you having a hard time with 50? Really? Get in there, Iceman. Lucifer, if you'd like to join, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. So it's scaling out of longs above 80, 85. Are you okay? There they go. What a long, right? Off the 15s, right? S&Ps, there goes gold. S&Ps, beautiful on the 15-minute time frame. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ? Okay. I do have a video in my in my community on how to scale in and out. We actually have technology that can help you. The orders go in based upon the amount of lots you want to do, based upon the pattern. Okay, we do have it. You caught the long on the S&Ps, boom. There you go. Look at that long, 40 up. See that? I waited patiently. I said, look to get long down there, right? The 15-minute time frame, come here. The 15-minute time frames are getting oversold. Okay, you caught both longs. Great job, Reno. Am I saying it right now? Reno. All right, hope everybody signed up today for the raffle. Good luck, everybody. We're going to do something different. No. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Reno. Am I saying it right? Reno? I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Anybody? Reno? Okay. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes the S&Ps. Boom! S&P's up 50. NASDAQ up 50. Again, all off the 15-minute time frame right here on the NASDAQ. Kaboom. Look at this. Look at this. Off the 15. What a long. Look at this long. Off the 15. The yellow dots told the story. No, right down here in the middle. What a long. What a long. 54 points. The raffle, you're too late, Ms. Schulta. Two shorts, 180. What? Two longs, you mean? You got, anytime there's a body of water in Florida, think of a gator. So just to let you know, with your wife's one, she has to screw off, take the straw out, and put that in the dishwasher.
The straw.
And the other piece, right? He's very uneasy.
Yeah. Doesn't have his bed either.
Yeah.
I gotta go buy him a bed.
He's used to having his bed.
It's like, what am I sit on? I'm gonna sit on these cords.
Yeah, I gotta get him a bed.
Okay, so take it out, put it in the dishwasher.
So you know the top piece,
Yeah.
and then you take the straw out.
Yep.
And put it in the dishwasher, and it'll clean it thoroughly.
Okay.
Or she can take hot water
And run it
and
through.
just run it through there
Right.
in the straw.
Just the top and the.
In the straw. I mean, you can
Okay.
clean the inside, you know, just with with hot water or something like that. I don't think that can go in the dishwasher.
Okay.
Just the top piece, they told me. But they had one purple left. I got it for her. And so this would be let you know, right? So Apple's here, right? And Yeti's here. And
Where's Yeti?
in the Gardens Mall
Okay.
on the first floor. So I had to walk all the way to the right. I was happy to do it. You know, I love the walk and everything. I go downstairs, I get the Yeti, then I walk to the other end of the mall, which is like 5 football fields, right? To Apple. I get the Apple, right? My thing here that I needed, and I just go home. But it was good exercise and everything. Mall was packed. I couldn't believe it on a Wednesday. All right. Hope everybody, good luck today. Good luck to everybody. Again, if there's anybody here, I think there was like maybe 6 or 8 trades, 9 trades. Everyone should have been great. I hope you guys, some people passed evals here. Okay, that's all. That's the only thing I really care about. Okay. And again, if anybody would like to follow me on social media, please follow me on official Stephen Kalayjian at Instagram, TikTok, and X, and or LinkedIn. Okay. Also, I do have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. And if anybody would like to give me a call or a text and my cell phone number or a 5-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. NASDAQ is up 60 right now. There goes the S&Ps out. See the 30-minute time frame? How powerful? Market's going higher because we haven't even waited for the 30-minute time frames to push up yet. It's been so long I messed up. Well, how could you mess up? Charles Jolly, I hope I hear from a lot of you. Lilac, JKC, 914-500-7484. 7484. Jennifer, are you ready, Jennifer? Well, actually, you know what? We're just going to do something a little differently tonight. We're going to do the wheel. Okay? We're going to do the wheel. Okay. Good luck, everybody. We're going to do the wheel. Completely random. If there's a name I can't pronounce, you're out. Okay? He wasn't doing that today, was he? Okay, let's do the wheel, Denny. Let's go, brother. Brother Denny. Number one. And if you're here, you're here. If you're not, you're out. Plain and simple. Ragav Tandon, 93. Ragav, R-A-G-H-A-V, Tandon, T-A-N-D-O-N, 93. Next. Okay. Again, if you're here, you're here. If you're not, you're not. Period. I can't see anything. We have a winner. Whew. Next one is Rita Tick. Rita underscore Tick. Rita underscore Tick. Next. We're just going to keep moving along here. Co-C with Hulk. Co-C with Hulk. Benny, give them a second so they can hear it because there's a 20-second delay. All right. At MyFundedFutures giveaway entrant number 3. What the hell is that about? At MyFundedFutures giveaway entrant number 3. Next. Bobo I trades. Bobo I trades. Bobo I trades. Bobo I trades. How many is that now? 5? I don't even know. I lost track. I can't even read this. Mahaka Lakasami, registered nurse, RO 809. What is this? That's why I wanted to do the numbers. Mahakil, I can't even say it. KG Solo Man 888. KG Solo Man 888. That NASDAQ was good for 70. KG Solo Man 888. He's here. How many is that? 6? Congratulations, everybody. Pipsy Hamster. Pipsy Hamster. Pipsy Hamster. HAMSTR. STER. Sorry. The mic was in the way. MS. Okay. And the winner is profit per tick. Profit per tick. Swing Sentry 92. Swing Sentry 92. People are changing their names every day to get computer to select them over and over. I don't know if that's true. Swings Century 92. Swing Century 92. Are you here? That's 10? That's 9. I think that's 9. Is that 9?
Might be 10 because you're back on the screen.
Oh, I'm back up on the screen. All right. We have about 5 minutes to go here. Nice long off the 15-minute time frame. I saw 9, maybe saw 10. All right. All right. I want to say thank you to MyFundedFutures. I want to thank all of you for being here. Tomorrow's Friday. We have the SpaceX, obviously. I wanted to say thank you to all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I love being here. If anybody really wants to reach out to me, you can just text me on my cell phone. I return every call. And again, one of the most important things is to be consistent and to be able to identify patterns like we just did off the 15. The NASDAQ went from what, 70 up to 35, okay? And the S&Ps went from 97, just rallied 10, okay? All right. Thank you all of you. We got about 4 minutes. Does anybody have any questions while I'm here? We have about 4 minutes before we get off. Does anybody have any questions? Do you guys like the raffle better or me picking? Hey. Oh, I gotta take him in. Come here. Come here. He's sick. Come. Come. Come to your father. Come to your father. Come. Come. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I gotta take him in. Come on. We're going in. I'll take you to the hospital. Come on. We're gonna go home. Gotta take. Come. Huh?
No, I'm talking to Hendry.
We're gonna go. I'm gonna take you. You gotta get looked at. I'm not dealing with this all night. Okay. Good job, Michael Lenz. What's causing that to push up higher rejecting site? It's a 15-minute time frame. Morved, you didn't see the 15-minute time frame I showed you. Thank you.
Come here.
Come. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. I'm gonna take Solomon home. I'm gonna take him to the to get looked at.
Let me know he's okay.
Yeah, I'll be there for about 3 hours with him. He's got to get tests done.
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You like the picking? Who likes the wheel better versus picking numbers?
Come on, let me get by. Come on, Hendry.
I got him. Henny,
No,
come.
I'm trying to get by.
Henny, come. Henny, come. Come, Daddy. Come. Stay here. Stay here. All right. I'll be outside. You can shut the door after you leave. Levi, if you don't mind. Okay. Numbers are easier. No, it's not that it's easier. What do you guys you like the wheel numbers? Everybody, we're gonna do.
Back and forth.
Can we? Well, maybe we'll go back and forth. I like the wheel, Stephen. Okay. The wheel, the numbers, the wheel, the numbers. Okay. All right. Again, if anybody has any questions, you can please text me or call me on my cell phone number. And if you want a 5-day free trial, you can just send it to me at 914, your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. With that being said, I want to say thank you to Denny, thank you to Aaron, thank you to Matt and Luke and everybody at MyFundedFutures, and thank you, all of you. God bless you. Have a great day tomorrow. SpaceX tomorrow. Here's a 15-minute time frame pushing up. NASDAQ up 80, S&Ps up 13. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Be well.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher deciphering the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.